Yes, student, the content given homologous series. Okay, it belongs to organic chemistry. Homo, that is similar, logous, that is compound having properties. Okay, that is the properties. Series, that is a chain of compounds or series of compounds having same type of properties, called homologous series. But to better understand, actually, first we have to deal one more content related to the nomenclature, that is the naming of organic compound. Student, an organic compound is made up of made up of at least at least two parts at least two parts. Part number A, called alkyl radical, okay, denoted by capital R. It is one hydrogen less as parent hydrocarbon as parent hydrocarbon. Getting? it may be of one or more carbon containing hydrocarbon. Okay, and the second part, known as functional group, called functional group. Okay, it is the main part of organic compound and most of the physical properties and chemical properties depends on functional group part. That is the main functioning of compound depends on it. For example, we can take few example like R. Okay, this is the first part, and if I write the second part, what? OH. Getting? I can write one more R, and this is what? X. I can write one more part R and C double bond OH. Student, in all these compounds, say example number A, number B and number C, the R part is common. Okay, in A, B, C, R part is common. is common. Okay, but properties of all, but properties of all are different, are different. This is due to, this is due to second part, that is what? Functional group. Second part, that is what? Functional group. Like this part OH, COOH, called what? Functional group. Therefore, this is the main part of an organic compound. Okay, so here you can understand the importance of functional group. Okay, although all of them are having same part R, but name are different, properties are different, physical chemical properties are different. Like this part is known as alcohol, this part is known as haloalkane, and this compound is known as aldehyde. What it shows? It shows that the R part, that is the first part, which is called alkyl radical, it does not decide most of the property, but it decides only few properties. The main properties depends on the functional group. Getting?